How to buy bonds on Degiro. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can buy bonds on Degiro. So in order to buy bonds on Degiro, first you have to log in into your account. For that you can either use an application or a web browser. Either way the procedure is going to remain the same. So type in degiro.com and log in into your account. Once you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page. So basically when you're placing an order for bonds, you have the option for entering 4 different order type: a limit order, a market order, and a stop loss order, and a stop limit order. So you can just go ahead and select either one of it. And placing a buy or sell order for a corporate or a government bond is different from placing an order for stocks or ETFs. Now, due to the nature of how bonds work, when investing in a bond, you do not specify the amount of bonds you like to buy or sell and how much you are willing to pay or receive for each. So instead you specify how much money you like to have invested in the bonds, the nominal value, and how much you are willing to pay for the investment expressed in the percentage of the bond per value. When determining the price for the bond, you are essentially answering the questions of how much you're willing to over or underpay to receive a specific amount of money. So that's basically how you can place an order for bonds. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.